Okay, this is Yari Simeon Thomas, your web marketer, and I'm showing you how to use ChatGPT to write and edit content for your website blog. You can actually use the same method for any writing. So I'm going to click New Chat. I started this already here, but I wanted to show you from the beginning. I thought this would be a good idea to record this. So what I'm writing is the sales page for WordPress with Mautic integration. WordPress, if you don't know, is the most widely used website builder, and even sites like companies like GoDaddy have taken WordPress and modified it to make it a little easier, and they call it something else, right? I think they call it the GoDaddy website builder or something like that. And then Mautic is a marketing automation platform that's also open source. It is really awesome, and both of those are free. You do have to pay for hosting, whether you buy them from myself or another company. Um, the software is free. The only thing you should be paying for is hosting, versus paying for more popular things like High Level or Constant Contact, where you have that monthly fee or you're paying more for contact. All you're paying for with either of those, Mautic is just the hosting and WordPress is just the hosting. So what I'm going to say is write sales copy that explains the benefits of purchasing our integrated package of WordPress and Mautic. Also explain the benefits of using WordPress over other website builders and Mautic versus other marketing automation platforms. I'm also going to say, please, not please. It's not a person, right? You don't have to be nice. Make sure to include pros. You know what? I'm going to start there. I'm going to just stop. And let's see what it says. Okay. Now you see how fast that goes. If you've never seen this used, you'll be like, this is unbelievable. Supercharge your online presence in a rated modest package already. I'm going to just read this really fast. Imagine having the power of two industry-leading tools at your fingertips since you integrate supercharge your website well. Okay, I like what that says. With WordPress and Mautic work harmonizing together, you'll save time and effort. No more switching between platforms you're struggling with compatibility issues. Streamline, efficiently, or waste you. Well, I really don't like that because you do have to switch between two screens. So I'm going to say edit this line because you still have to switch between platforms. Sell the fact they work together. All right. So, and here's the line that they're editing. Wait, I didn't tell it what line to edit. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to say that again. Edit this and remove the back and forth between platforms. Even the misspelling. Okay. So remove that line. So let's go back up. WordPress unleash the power of your website. User friendly. That's good. Endless flexibility. That's true. SEO friendly. This is very true with WordPress. Responsive design. Theme should include responsive design. And let's see. Mautic revitalize and nurture your campaigns. Mautic robust marketing automation platform allows you to nurture leads and engage with prospects automatically. So as I read over this, this is good. Cost effective. I'm going to take this and say, edit this line, include the fact that open source or free, you will only pay for hosting. And then Control V. And let's see what it comes up with for that line. Okay, see, that's great. All right, let's these are probably part of data protection. And okay, that's good. That's good. Dedicated support with our fully managed service. So we're not just offering hosting; we're offering a fully managed service. I'm going to say edit this line to let potential prospects know that we offer a fully managed service as well as co-managed, meaning that we will do it for them or support their efforts if they want to do it themselves. Okay, so we just took that and reworded it nicely. This is true. Both WordPress and Mautic are constantly evolving to meet the demands of the digital landscape. Okay, don't just settle for less. You can have the best. I mean, this sales copy is, I think, is excellent because I've told it to be sales copy, right? Okay. Include a comparison of Mautic versus other platforms like HubSpot. Let's see what that does. I don't know if it's going to be able to make the comparison. Let's see. Okay. I probably won't use this because I don't want to sell the HubSpot platform, but they're being honest, right? It is good, but it's like $400 a month versus almost free. Yeah, so remove this comparison. Please put all the changes together and rewrite the sales copy. Move this right here. So let's see what it says there. So it just did everything over again. So you can really talk to it almost like you're talking to a person, but it's a computer. I mean, this is pretty good. It slimmed it down, it wrote it, and next I'm going to show you how to put this right on your website because this is pretty much the content I'm going to use. Thanks for watching.